So guys, we got rained out of Little India and have been running home. We're almost there, but we forgot to say goodbye. So please like, please subscribe. You know the drill. We're Girls on the Loose.
We are. Bye for now.
Catch you next time.
Woo! It was pouring.
Yeah, I'm soaked.
Give us a look. Yes, we're absolutely soaked. Woo! Stand in the light. Go and stand in the light. Near the rain. No, here.
Dancing in the summer rain.
We are soaked. Completely soaked.
Good night, Malaysia.
Good night, Penang. Love you. Woo. Oh, nice hair. Hello, sir.
Yeah,
How are you?
fine.
I love your hair.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to make it like that?
40 years.
40. Wow, looks great. What's your name?
Raja.
Raja, nice to meet you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Can I have a look?
Go, go, go.
Thank you. Hi guys. Yeah, you make puja?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
And it's definitely great experiences like this while we travel, for sure. So this is where we've come for dinner tonight. Steph's gonna have some tandoor chicken. I'm just gonna have a little bit. I'm not very hungry, but yeah, fabulous place. Maybe we have one of these. Yeah. Chicken, some prawns, more chicken. It's a home of chicken. Hello guys. So I just ordered the pot of rice and chicken.
You got something as well.
I did.
Oh, you must want it then.
Look good. So
Yep. I've got naan and tandoori chicken coming, so I can't wait.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yep.
I'm not really hungry, but I just ordered it.
Anyway, should be good.
Because it looked good, so why not, hey? Hello guys.
Hi.
Can I have a look? Oh, tandoori chicken. So good. Nice. Super. Thank you. Wow, that looks pretty good, Steph.
This looks awesome. Wow. What a great bit of tandoori chicken.
Yeah, and that naan. Look at that butter under there.
Yes,
Wow.
looks delicious.
Some dal.
Yes.
Wow.
All the bits. All right. Let's go.
Dip it. Dip it.
Mm.
Good?
Good.
How's the chicken?
Tender chicken, as always.
Spicy, it looks.
Not so spicy. I think that's spicy though. That looks like chili. No. A little spicy. Also cool. Spicy, a little bit sweet too.
Alright, enjoy.
All right, and there's yours.
Oh, clay pot chicken. God, they give you a lot, don't they? Look
do.
at that rice, it's quite delicious. This, guys, wow. Wow, look at this. Wow, I just got a clove. Wow, look at that. Cloves in here. Fantastic. Very fragrant rice. A lovely bit of chicken, some dal. More than I can eat. Very good. Well, I couldn't eat all that, guys. As I said earlier, I wasn't that hungry, but thought I'd give it a try anyway. You're only here once. Well, we're probably only here the once, so wanted to try the chicken. I had my eye on this place all day. Steph?
Yeah, I can confirm she had her eye on it all day. I did a pretty good job. There's still some naan. It was a little bit too fluffy, but you can see that some of Susan's rice made it to my plate. I actually really like that rice. Very good.
What's good? What's
Fragrant, lots of different spices. Very nice.
Yeah, and we got a tea, a lemon tea.
Yeah, lemon tea, iced tea. Woohoo! Cheers.
All right, so that's dinner done and dusted.
Here in Little India.
Yep, here in Little India. There's some mosque over there. Gonna go for a wander in a minute. So an Indian meal in Little India.
Yep.
What did that cost us?
That cost us 35 ringgit, so that's about $7 US. Seems quite expensive compared to our nasi kandar this morning, but I mean my naan, it looks like was the more expensive part. So yeah, sometimes you got to pay for those special things. Anyway, I'm so glad that I got some Indian food here.
Yeah. So not just well, nasi kandar is Indian too,
Sure,
but this is real Indian.
Yeah. And I mean, I just haven't found very good Indian food in Vietnam yet.
No. So let's go for a walk down here. Oh, Penang famous samosa.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Are their samosas good?
Yeah.
They are?
I might have to get one.
Let's go for a walk.
Yeah.
Oh. Lots of sweets, lots of candies. Look at that, Malabar. Now that conjures up images of the Far East. What a great word that is. Oh, rain, rain, go away.
Definitely the part of town you come to for all things Indian.
Indeed. Hello, guys. All right, we're back at the sweet shop and samosa shop. Yes. Yes, she wants one.
Penang famous samosa.
I am samosa.
Chicken how many?
One.
One piece.
Chicken ayam.
Yeah. 150.
How much? 150.
One ringgit, 150 cent. One piece.
Awesome.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very nice.
So you got your snack?
Yeah, I got my snack.
Are you gonna eat it now?
Where are you from?
Hot.
New Zealand.
New Zealand, very nice country. Okay.
Thank you. And where are you from? Are you born in Malaysia?
Son in India.
Where in India?
Son Chennai.
Chennai.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So in the south. Yeah, nice. Are you Tamil? Are you Tamil?
Tamil.
Tamil, yeah. How long have you lived in Malaysia?
So 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
Did you come with your family or
Son, one man.
by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
Family India, Chennai.
In Chennai.
Yeah.
And how long have you had this shop?
Son, one son.
How many years?
10 years.
10 years. Wow, good job. What's your name?
Son Hakim. Abdul Hakim.
Hakim.
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you, Hakim.
Yeah.
Have a good evening. Bye-bye. How's the samosa?
Crispy.
Show us.
Spicy. Delicious. Oh, I love samosas.
Little India.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye-bye, sir. So Steph's happy. She's got her Indian snacks. All right, we're inside. This is how wet we are. Look at this.
Yeah. I think I might use that bath tonight.
Woo!
Please like. Please subscribe. You know the drill. We're Girls on the Loose.
We are. Bye for now.
Catch you next time.
Woo!